In a world of sample sounds produced by a concentratedly programmed sequencer. In a world of beats and bars, creating a completely new dimension. Listen to the results of a tremendous stream of technology combined with deep emotions. Let the dream come true.